Yeah, hi. In today's video, we're going to be doing an update on a video done about a month ago about an app called Instant Recalls. Okay, so we're going to go through it. We're going to tell you exactly how things are progressing, what the situation is now, how you can earn money with it, and also when they're going to start paying out. So make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this, even if you're already a member. And if you're not a member, I'm going to whiz through it quickly and tell you exactly how you can earn money passively with the Instant Recalls app. Okay, so as you can see here, we've come onto the instantrecalls.com website, and it's an app. You can download it in the Apple Store or the Google Play. If you want to know more about this app and how you can get paid, etc., don't forget to check out this video I did about a month ago, which goes into obviously more detail of how you can earn up to $5,500 per month passively. Okay, so that will tell you more details, so make sure you check that out at the end of this video. I will put that video, a link to that video at the end of this video, so stay tuned right the way through and watch the whole video. So we want to give you obviously an update on the Instant Recall and basically just a quick overview of the app. What it basically does is you have apps on your phone. Majority of them will take information, location data, and you don't even know about it, of where you actually are, the places you visit. For argument's sake, Google. Yeah, have you ever had a gone into a shop or something like that, and all of a sudden then you get an offer from the shop right into your inbox or onto your Facebook feed or anything like that, and you're thinking, how do they know I've been there? It's all to do obviously with your apps on your phone giving you this data, and then this data, companies actually will collect this data or harvest it as it's known, and they will put it into what they call a data lake, and then that data lake is sold off to all these various different companies, and all they're giving you is your location. So in other words, where you've been. They're not giving you any other information, no date of birth, where you live or anything like that. So it's totally safe, totally legit. But the thing is, you're not getting paid to actually give that data. So with Instant Recalls, basically they are actually going to pay you for giving that data. Okay, so that's basically how it works. How Instant Recall are going to set up? They're going to set up, and they're going to take your data from your phone every 15 seconds once you have the app downloaded. And like I say, all you've got to do is go to the link in the description here, click on the link. I also give you an ID code, so because you do need to be referred to this app, so the My ID code is there, and I'll put it on the screen as well here. And then just literally go through onto this site and then click on either the download on the Apple Store or Google Play. Works on both. And then what they'll do is this app will actually call to your mobile every 15 seconds. That's 4 times a minute. And it will basically get your location. Now, if you're traveling into a shop or into a town or anything like that, that's what they will be able to gather. And people will pay a lot of money for this data. If you've got a marketing company who need to market people in a certain area or do certain things, so for argument's sake, if you go to the gym, so then that would actually show up that you've been to your gym today. So that's the sort of thing that you are looking to do. Now, with the Instant Recall app, it's going to be obviously free to download, and what it also does inside the app, it enables you to actually pinpoint locations that you can recall. So if you've been to a great restaurant, we went to one the other week, and it was really good. So what I did, I actually put that into my Instant Recall app as somewhere that I would like to visit again. So you don't have to remember it. It will instantly recall it for you when you actually want it, hence the name. Now, there's a full update of the app on a video that I actually went and had a look at, that actually Paul Schneider, the actual owner of the video, went and actually recorded. So he tells you all these different information and goes into a lot more in depth about it and answers questions at the end. And this actually was done back on the 23rd of March 2020, so only a few days ago. So I'll put a link again to this video in the description below, so you can get this video. It's on Vimeo. You would have to sign up for a free account if you haven't already got one, but that's all. You don't have to upgrade at all to actually watch it. But that will go into an awful lot more detail, and as you can see, it's over an hour in length as well. So really good value there if you're already a member or if you are looking to become a member. How are you actually going to make money with Instant Recall? Now, like I say, make sure you stay tuned right to the very end of this. I'm going to give you one of the updates that you're going to want to know before you actually join. Okay, and also if you are already a member, so make sure you stay tuned right to the very end. It's a very important update that you're going to want to know. But before that, let's just show you how you can actually going to make money. Basically, you will be obviously referring the app to other people. Now, for everybody that you get in yourself as a direct referral, you're going to get $1 every single month. So if you refer, say for argument's sake, 20 people, now they are obviously means you're going to get $20, $1 for every person. Now there is only one downside to that. That is obviously if they decide just to become a free member, then obviously you won't get that dollar. Now that's what I'm going to talk about after this very shortly. So make sure you stay tuned. So once you've obviously got your first level of referrals, now maybe if those people actually went on to download the app and then refer other people, which is going to be on my second line, then what about if every one of those went and got 20 people too? Now the thing is, I would then get $1 on that level as well. So I would get $1 for everybody on my first level, $1 for everybody on my second level. And as you can see, this would then grow exponentially really fast, and you could earn a lot of money. Once you get to a certain level, you can activate the levels 3 and 4, and I think it's only you have to invite sort of about 10 active people to the app, so it's not a lot. Once you do that, then you get levels 3 and 4 you get paid on, and you're going to get 50 cents for everybody on your level 3 and 50 cents for everybody on your level 4. Okay, so again, like I say, this could then explode obviously throughout the internet and be a very nice residual income every single month. Now, one of the things they were obviously delayed in getting was their payout procedure. They were actually going through a company called OpenNode to begin with, and that is all changing. They are then restructuring, and they are obviously going to go with a couple now. It's either going to be Pay Quicker or Payoneer. Okay, so one of those two payment processors. So everything is going to be able to be downloaded into your own currency, and also then you can obviously connect your banks to these payment processors, and then you can download it directly to your bank. Now, the one thing that I have saved till last, and that obviously was on the update, and like I say, you can go and check it out from the man himself on this video here, which again I shall put a link in the description below here, and he goes in for far more detail than what I am going to do on this video, so make sure you obviously go and check that out as well. But basically what they're having to do is, because Google are actually want to charge them such an amount of money to actually go and harvest this information from us, from everybody's phone, they're having to actually charge for a monthly membership to the Instant Recall. Now, it's not a membership that Instant Recall itself will be charging. The charge will come from the App Store, so you'll actually be paying the App Store every month for the actual app. Okay, and that amount is only going to be $3.99, so a very small amount. They wanted it to be free, but with everything that's gone on and the delays that's happened, etc., and the amounting costs on their end, they've come back and they've said that we're going to have to charge a small amount. But what they've been able to do is they've been able to lock in that price with Google for up to 60 months, so 5 years. So we've got 5 years of just paying $4 a month to obviously use the app. If you've already downloaded the app, no panic, you don't have to upgrade. You can still use the app in its entirety for what it's meant for, gathering information and memories and that you want to actually put into the app so that you can recall certain things. that will be totally free. But if obviously you want to refer other people and earn money, then there would be this upgrade to the $3.99 a month. But again, I think that is fine. That's like I say, if most people can actually go and refer 4 people, you're then getting it totally free. Obviously, if those people go on and do another 4 people each, then you're in credit and you're starting to earn cash every single month by using the Instant Recall app. And what Paul is saying in the video here, he is looking to hopefully be up and running by this first or second week in April, and now we're sort of on the 4th of April now, so things are starting to happen, everything's coming together, and when you do, you'll find once you get the app, you will find that once he's sorted out the payment processes and that sort of thing, there will be an upgrade version in the app itself. So then as soon as you upgrade, you will then obviously start earning immediately. And if anybody else underneath you upgrades as well, then obviously that money will then be processed within a sort of 30-day period, like at the end of each month. He wants to try and move that forward to a weekly payment, but again, I don't think that's going to be on the cards to begin with. It's going to be monthly. So all in all, Instant Recall, I can see the benefits of it. I can see it working. Like I say, loads of different apps already take your data without you even knowing and sell it. So let me know if you've got any questions in the comments below. Like I say, don't forget to watch the Instant Recall update on the thing, and don't forget to obviously download the app, have a look at it. Like I say, there's nothing to pay, it's totally free. It's only if you want to then go on to actually make money on it that and refer other people, then you obviously would need to pay that small monthly charge. But at the moment, like I say, it's all pretty legit. It's all up front. Like I say, Paul is really up front with everything. He owns a massive app producing company in the States, so he knows what he's talking about when it comes to apps. So he's making sure everything is above board, and he doesn't want it to obviously have to have more updates once it's done. That's why it's a little bit delayed in actually coming to fruition, in so to speak, with the payouts and actually starting to sell the data. But certainly one to have a look at and add to your portfolio of apps on your phone. It's not going to take up much space, and I certainly would recommend it to others as well. And then who knows, you could start earning thousands of dollars in a year or so's time on this Instant Recall app. Okay, I trust you found that useful and interesting. If you did, smash up the like button for us. Don't forget to watch this video next, which is another video all about Instant Recalls, goes into more detail. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now, hit the notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We'll see you on the next video.